You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Here's a look from the Girard Ridge Alert wildfire camera in Siskiyou County throughout the day today. You can see thin clouds line the sky as we watch the sun pass over Mount Shasta on this lovely fall Sunday. Meteorologist Mikel Hannah-Harding has our forecast.
Well, getting into those weather headlines for today, clouds and sunshine are going to linger as we start off the work week. We are looking at those temperatures staying warm through about Veterans Day. That's Tuesday. And then we're looking at rain chances returning as we head towards the middle to end of the work week. Looking at future radar and satellite, not much to show you in the rain department here, really just highlighting how we do keep, again, that mixture of cloud cover around with sunshine during the daytime. At nighttime, it seems like we'll keep those skies partly to mostly cloudy. So that's what we have for tonight, those partly to mostly cloudy conditions. Heading into tomorrow, we'll see temperatures by midday getting into the 60s and 70s across a pretty wide scale there. Definitely not a cold day for anywhere tomorrow, and we'll keep a mixture again of those clouds and sunshine throughout the day for your Monday. Here we are getting into your Tuesday morning now. We'll see those temperatures scaling back just a bit into those 30s now for the Sierra, the Cascades. We're still in the 50s in the valley, hanging on to some cloud cover, but those rain chances definitely staying very slim as we continue towards your Tuesday time frame. For tonight, we're looking at temperatures in the 50s in the valley. As we head towards tomorrow morning, we'll look at more 30s and 40s for the Sierra and the Cascades. Alturas, our usual cold spot, at about 32 for tonight. And here we are getting into your forecast for tomorrow, region by region. First, for the northern mountains, we'll see temperatures as warm as about 72 in Hayfork. Could see some upper 60s in between Wairika and Mount Shasta. We'll call it partly cloudy for tomorrow, keeping those winds fairly calm. As we head down towards the southern Cascades and the Sierra, 73 in Quincy, 67 in Chester, 66 in Mineral for tomorrow. And we're looking at that mixture of sun and clouds, light southeast wind at about 5 to 10. As we head down towards the foothills, could see temperatures as cool as the upper 60s. Magalia Paradise will be in those middle 70s for tomorrow, keeping a light south wind at about 5 to 10 with that mixture of sun and clouds. Here we are in the North Valley, 78 in Redding, 78 in Corning down I-5, and we're talking about, again, that mixture of clouds and sunshine, a very common theme here if you can't tell. And again, for the Mid-Valley, no surprise with the sky condition, Orland, Chico, 78, could see Willows maybe a little bit warmer there, closer to 80, but all of us going to be right there on the cusp of it getting into tomorrow. So yet again, well above average. As far as that wind forecast, not much to show here as we do continue into your Monday morning. We definitely keep those winds fairly calm. And as we get into your Monday afternoon, could see an occasional gust 10 to 15 or maybe even 10 to 20 for portions of the Sierra and the Cascades. But overall, a very isolated feel with that and not really looking at much here starting off the work week. It does get more active closing out the week, though. You can see your Chico 7-day planner does show those rain chances moving in by Wednesday, maybe some storm chances here for your Thursday. We're back into the upper 50s by then, lots of 50s heading into the weekend. For Redding, we're also looking at some storm chances here for your Wednesday, a little bit of instability working in there. We'll see upper 50s Thursday, Friday, still looking soggy as well, heading into the upcoming weekend, upper 50s by Sunday.